What was it like moving from India to the US? Was it a huge culture shock? Did it take you a while to adjust, or was it just like you already were kind of ingrained in it due to where you were growing up in the Silicon Valley of India?
I think it was a lot more easier than I thought it would be because, so growing up, so my parents, they started a business together. And in that business, we used to have a lot of clients from all over the world. So I always had like this really interesting exposure to different cultures and people from different countries just right from a young age. And so I love to travel also. So just from a personal perspective, I used to travel all over the world. And so kind of moving to the US was a very seamless transition for me. It felt more like, oh, okay, India is nice and US is also nice, and it's not too different. It's not too much of a change. And it was actually quite seamless. It wasn't hard at all for me. And I mean, I'm lucky in the sense that I got that exposure right from a young age. I know a lot of people don't necessarily get that level of exposure, so I'm quite lucky in that way. And having had that exposure, it was quite a seamless move for me. It wasn't challenging, it wasn't too different or anything of that sort.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.